The urban monkey. Pretty smart looking little character. Uh-oh. Now we're making a mess. Oh, I got too close. But okay. Okay, this is the first time I saw a monkey. Like, not behind bars or in a cage. Oh, it's found the gold mine. What a mess. Well, I'm out again driving around trying to get lost, which I am, and just as I had turned on my Google Maps to figure out how to get back, I got a flat tire. So in the middle of nowhere, and it just in the middle of nowhere is a little mechanic shop. So yeah, these dirt roads are brutal. I mean, if you go 20k down these things, the reason is, well, geez, they're so bumpy. Potholes and rocks and who knows what. And then it's like deep sand in some spots. And it's kind of slippery, so you want to just follow the tracks. But yeah, this place, get a flat, middle of nowhere. Sure enough, middle of nowhere, there's a place to get it fixed. Anyways, I'm just gonna shut her down here for a bit. Yeah, so just informed sort of that that inner tube is definitely no good. So looks like he's got one here. That's why I love this thing. I bought this Dream because everybody's got one, and look at this. I'm in the middle of nowhere, breakdown, and like they got the parts. You know what I mean? They got whatever. Gotta have one of these things. Didn't need some weird brand, some rare, you know, model. First. Look at this. This is unreal. So here we go. There's that. Drop it out. New one goes in. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Cool. Okay, get back to you. And I don't even think it was 5 minutes, maybe, okay, 7 minutes. And new tube already in, everything. Ended up being like 15,000 real, which is like, I don't even know if it's $4 for God's sake. So I gave him a little bit more. Anyways, back on the ride, and let's see what else happens. Apparently they don't like me. Finally ran into some water buffalo. They were in the ditch, but I guess they're a little skittish. Didn't like me being... But hey, we're getting there. A monkey, a flat tire, and some wilted water buffalo, you know, like we're on a roll. So we'll just keep going. I just sort of, I don't know, here's a 360. There's some music in the distance somewhere. Yeah, I have no idea, absolutely no idea where I was. When I got the flat tire, I actually had to put Google Maps on and I had to go back down that dirt road the same way I came. And I mean, this is just a normal bike, right? It doesn't have, like, you know, mountain motocross frickin' suspension. You gotta go slow or else you're bottoming out. And yeah, it's a little bone jarring. So you gotta go nice and slow. And yeah, so anyways, I'm sort of heading back to see them reap slowly. Way in the distance I see a mountain, like way out there, but that's probably a few hour drive. Especially, like, I had to get off that dirt road. I mean, oh my god, it was just getting pounded. So anyhow, we're gonna get back on the bike and continue the journey.